Every leaping development of technology is leading to a social-economical revolution, unveiling a new era. By meeting increasing connection requests, the development of 5G technology will definitely lay a solid foundation for the digitalization and innovation in vertical fields, such as industry, agriculture, transportation, education, and medical service. With the power of optical communication to build 5G smart cities, SDGI can help people to embrace new changes of life and to make a new definition towards life. The united, shared, and interconnected of everything is the motive of our actions. Specializing on 5G smart telecommunication, we have driven the revolution of information age. Equipped with innovative technologies, we have addressed the industry conundrums, broken technical barriers, and explored every possibility of information age. Based on efficient product capacity, we have provided supreme products and service for this interconnected world, guiding our people to enjoy and embrace this information age. With 30 years consistent endeavor and efforts, we have been digging potentialities of the industry and our values, making our due contribution to build the smart city. The strategy of 5G development, the vision of creating the smart city, inspire us marching on the heading road. We have shaped a multi-level industry layout, developed a competitive advantage on the industrial chain of smart optical telecommunication, presented dedicated solutions, and integrated high-efficient service for clients. Our products cover industries of optical fiber and cable, smart internet access, and military information. Optical fiber and cable is the base of our career. And with it, we can lay infrastructure foundation for smart city. Laying optical fibers and cables for almost all of domestic backbone circuits and major projects. We have provided fundamental services and infrastructures for future intelligent constructions. Keeping long-term strategic cooperation with international and domestic telecom carriers, national power companies, integration service providers, and overseas clients. We have delivered sterling telecommunication products and technological services for more than 40 countries and regions around the world. Seizing the market opportunities and following clients' requests, we have made outbreaks on the whole industrial chain as well as overseas markets. Intelligent access industry is the direction of our further work. By utilizing internet technology, we can make a perfect conjunction between traditional manufacture and smart manufacture industry. We have been consummating the industry chain, especially the intelligent access industry, and now the layout of a complete industry chain has taken its shape. Military information industry is the core in our transformation. By participating with the construction of national military information technology, we have expanded our strategic layout and enhanced our efforts to integrate our resources so as to consolidate our military information business and consummate the combination of military products and technology. Made our due contribution to our national defense with multiply high-tech military telecommunication products. From manufacturing high-tech products to providing customized solutions, we have been innovating to develop the future 5G information network. We will enlarge our strategic layout and investment, exploring new growth pole in business, accelerating the product's transformation to the market, and being a telecommunication products and solutions provider in the new 5G intelligent era. With an open, motivated, and occupational enterprise atmosphere, SDGI is an incubator for personal development and progress. Besides, it is also a platform full of challenges and opportunities. With a full respect to personal values and progresses, we are ready to create a common value for every client, shareholder, partner, and employee. We will make consistent improvements on R&D, product service, and talents management on the road to globalization, so as to synchronize with the step of the world. We will develop a strategic unity with advanced partners around the world to form our global competitive advantage and to realize the win-win cooperation. We do believe that everything will be interconnected in the nearby 5G age. SDGI will make its own contribution to industry transformation, create more wealth for the enterprises, deliver a high-efficient, intelligent lifestyle, assist the individual to make dream come true, create an interconnected and shared world, and exert our own power to benefit the world to realize such kind of change boomingly.